15-year-old Emeka Carroll missing from Norwood, St. James. Trelawney man returning from grave digging dies in car crash. Jerk chicken vendor shot and killed at home. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. An Ananda alert has been issued for 15-year-old Emeka Carroll of Bottom Road Paradise, Norwood, St. James, who has been missing since Saturday, January 20. Emeka is of dark complexion, she is of slim build, and is about 5 feet 6 inches tall. She was last seen at home wearing a jeans jumper. If anyone has information that can help us find Emeka, please call the Montego Bay Police at 876-952-2333 or 119 police emergency number or the nearest police station. A Trelawney man died from injuries he sustained when the motorcar he was driving overturned while he was returning home from a grave digging exercise in the parish on Saturday. The deceased has been identified as Andrew Brown of a Trelawney address. The Trelawney police reported that about 6 p.m., Brown was driving a motor car along the Hyde Hall roadway when he lost control of the vehicle, which flipped before plunging into a ravine. Brown sustained multiple injuries and was taken to the Falmouth Public General Hospital, where he died. The incident came a day after a man was suspected to have died from a hit-and-run crash in the parish. 40-year-old jerk chicken vendor Richard Roach was shot and killed along Old Harbour Road, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, on Saturday night. Roach was at his home about 9 p.m. when explosions were heard. The police were summoned to the scene. More details to come following further investigations.